In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Loop. Now, this might sound like a technical task, but I'm here to break it down into simple, digestible steps so you can get it done efficiently and have more time for all your other important work. Let's dive right in, starting with the basics. Begin by searching for Microsoft Loop in your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever you regularly use. Do a quick search and locate Microsoft Loop from the search results. Once you click on it, give it a moment to load, and you'll be prompted to sign in. It's really important to make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account, especially if you have multiple accounts like personal and work. Double-check and confirm you're signed in with the right one. Once you're logged in, you'll want to access the specific Microsoft Loop workspace or page you plan to share. This is where the magic happens. Navigate through your options to find the workspace or the page that requires sharing. It might sound straightforward, but locating that correct space ensures you're sharing the right content with the right audience. You'll notice a Share button located in the top right corner of your workspace or page. It's usually quite prominent, but sometimes it can blend in, so keep your eyes peeled for it. Click on that Share button. This action is going to open up the options regarding how and with whom you want to share this workspace or page. Next is a key decision. Determine whether you wish to share the entire workspace or only the specific page you're currently viewing. It's all about context here. Think about your recipients and what they really need access to. Selecting the appropriate option will help streamline their access and keep your content organized. Now comes the part where you specify with whom you want to share your Loop content. In the designated field, type in the names or email addresses of the people or groups. In many organizations, you also have the option to include Microsoft 365 groups, which can be incredibly handy if you're targeting a wider audience. Just a heads up, make sure you're entering the information correctly to avoid any sharing mishaps. Furthermore, you'll need to assign permissions to each recipient. Decide if they should have edit rights or if simply viewing the content is sufficient for their role. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your workspace or page, especially if you're sharing sensitive or critical information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively shared Microsoft Loop content, making collaboration a breeze. Remember, the key is understanding the needs of those you're sharing with and utilizing the appropriate permissions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.